Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the GeForce NOW error code 0xC272E005. As per our research, this error occurs when players try to launch certain games on GeForce NOW. Players shared that the error comes right when the game is about to start, and it prevents the game from launching. Some of the games where users have reported this error include Cities Skylines 2, Warhammer Darktide, and several EA titles like Battlefield 5, Battlefield 2042, and Need for Speed. According to our research, there is no official explanation for this error, but it looks like the error is likely caused by account syncing issues or a problem with the server on GeForce NOW. In some cases, the error may also be specific to the game or region. The first thing you should try is to launch a different game first. Simply open any other game, then quit it. After that, try launching the original game again and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, go to your GeForce NOW settings and try changing the server location. After changing the server, relaunch the game and check if it helps. If changing servers doesn't help, go to your GeForce NOW settings and sync your Xbox account again. Once you resync your Xbox account, try launching the game again and check for the error. In case resyncing the Xbox account doesn't help, then try removing the Xbox account access and reconnect it again. Once the account is reconnected, check if the error is resolved. If you still get the error, then consider visiting status.geforcenow.com to check the server status. If there are any ongoing issues with the servers, then you might have to wait till they are resolved. If none of these steps work, then we recommend contacting GeForce NOW support for further assistance. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.